Guys, I wanted to show you this air dry clay that I received from the company. I'm so excited. I love getting these in the mail, and my kids and I really enjoy doing them. It comes with a booklet to give you some instructions and some tools, as well as this one is 102 different colors. It's awesome. It comes with these little bags, so like you could save it if you're not done with the packet. I love how it feels. It's kind of like a silly putty and a slime mixed together. It does not stick to your hand at all, which is really nice. If you lay it out overnight, it's going to dry and harden. And then you can put a glaze over it if you have something like that to make it shiny. Really easy to use. Has like a very soft smell to it, nothing, offensive or too overpowering. My daughter is making like a little donut here, super cute. And the colors are just beautiful. They're very vibrant. This is a great activity to do and like really fun for like the textile and the texture. Definitely pick these up, have them around. Your kids will be really creative with them.